So you want free go-kart plans? Well, you're in luck. I just built one from scratch. And I'm putting these plans on my website, kartfab.com. As you can see, the kart's pretty fast. It goes 25 miles an hour. It has 4 knobby tires and centrifugal clutch. You can drive it on or off-road, but performs best on the street. The steering is very well engineered, the seat is adjustable for tall and short people, and it just looks pretty good. So, if you like this go-kart and you like downloading free go-kart plans, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you feel like it. Also, head on over to kartfab.com, the links are in the description to get the parts as well, and leave a comment below. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, don't get left out. Check the links in the description for free plans, the exact go-kart parts kit for these plans, and my website. Thanks.